Hi there, I'm Seva and I'm the founder of Klip Coupons. In this video, I'll show you how to create coupon order limits so you can limit the number of times a coupon can be redeemed and also drive a sense of urgency for your promotions. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is go ahead and head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on Apps and Klip Coupons. Now, whether you're adding a new coupon or you're adding an existing coupon, go ahead and click an existing coupon here. You'll find the setting under eligibility and target. Go ahead and click that. And here we'll see the limit number of times this coupon can be used in total underneath the maximum discount uses. Go ahead and click that to enable the option. Now, we'll have to set a maximum number of times the coupon can be used, and that could be any number that you set. Could be, for example, 5, or we could set 500. As you can see, we also have an urgency bar that appears beneath our coupon to indicate the number of coupons that are remaining to be redeemed. We can edit that by clicking the little edit icon here, or by clicking Coupon Design tab and going to Coupon Limit Reminder. Now, whether you'd like to remove the text or edit, we can say hurry and once you're done, click Save. Now, once we visit the product, we'll see the text and information below the coupon, indicating how many coupons are left to be redeemed. Or if you have the text disabled, it'll still work on the back end to limit, and once the number of redemptions are hit, the coupon will no longer show on your product page. And that's how you set up order limits for Klip Coupons.